Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dugas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Just give me a second to introduce myself. Well, my name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me, as I'm not an employee of Dugas Copy Bank. You might be thinking that I'm an employee of Dugas Copy, but I'm not. Therefore, all the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here in this webinar, they are of my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy research team. Okay. And all the views are like okay, whatever I say, it's my own. I'm just using the YouTube platform to showcase my analysis. And in this webinar, we will be discussing the price action. We will not talk about what is going on in the world like news and analysis. No, it is only price action analysis. That means we will go through the charts of all the instruments like major currency pairs and a few others also like commodities, gold, silver, not silver but gold, Brent and all. Now as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already on the chart, so why to talk about anything else, right? So in the process, we will try to find out the important levels for all the instruments that we have a look at, and we'll see how we can use those levels to our trading. As this is the first day of the week, there is a potential of finding out a lot of opportunities today. So stick with me till the end, and if we have any question at any time, I'm live. You can reach out to me in 5 seconds. Please post your questions or queries or anything that you have to say in the chat box that is provided there. Now, of course, I will be answering the questions from the viewers at the end of the webinar, and I think 15 to 20 minutes to finish this off, because there's nothing much to talk on Monday. But if you have anything that will be of interest, then we can continue the session. Okay, so before I start, I must also inform you that this webinar is only for increasing your knowledge about the price action reading, and to give you a hint of how to read the price action. Please do not take it as a trading advice. Do not trade live funds based on this video. Hard earned money on the line. Okay, so at any point of time, if you find this webinar useful for you, you can smash the like button which is below the video. And if you feel that there are some friends who can be benefited from this webinar, then please share with them, because sharing is caring. Now before we begin, I must also show you the standard risk disclaimer, because we are trading on the margin money, and forex is mostly traded on the margin. So please understand the underlying risk, read it carefully, and once you have understood all the 4 paragraphs, then only move to the charts. That is my request. So on your screen right now is the chart, that is 1 day chart of the US dollar index. Boom, boom, boom. So I think we need to, okay. I think I need to analyze it again because all my drawings are gone. Why? Okay, so the drawings are back. Okay, I thought that my drawings are gone, but I saw something red over here. Okay, so here we are. I think my sell side is gone, but anyways, you can see that the price was in an uptrend here, was making higher highs and higher lows. Then it stopped and started making lower highs and lower lows, and then it shifted structure again and started making higher highs and higher lows. Here after making this high, it started shifted structure, made lower highs and low. From here it's again started making higher highs, higher lows, and from here it's shifted the structure, made lower highs and lower lows. It shifted the structure and made higher highs and higher lows. Then it shifted the structure again and has started making lower low, and we are expecting a lower high to be formed now. This is a downtrending structure. That means we are looking for 101.59. Today the price dropped a lot, but has been respected, or the price has respected 102.27 levels, and there seems to be buying in this area, okay, but the price has pierced from this low. So 101.59 is now what you can say, exposed in this market. Okay, so when I say that the lower levels are exposed, like 101.59 in the dollar. What does it mean? It means higher levels are exposed in the pound and in the euro. So let's see if there are higher levels available in the pound or not. No, higher levels are not in the pound. So let us check again. So the US dollar has dropped a lot, but pound has failed to gain a lot. What does it mean? Well, I think my friends who are from a long time with me, they will understand that if the pound has failed to make any higher high, this means that pound is even heavier than the dollar, or means anytime the US dollar will gain momentum to the upside, the pound will be sold off to the downside. So what is the possibility to the downside here? I think previous low was here. This is a swing low, 1.2707. That can be seen as an opportunity to open the shorts if that level is broken with the target of 1.2612. But right now, since the US dollar is falling, so expect the pound to rise a bit before it starts falling again. What about the euro? Well, euro is going good. Euro is going all well. Yes, even today, okay, something is wrong here. Okay. I think we need to analyze the euro. Something has happened with my charts. Something has just happened with the charts. So I'm doing a top down again very fast if you allow me to. Top down. My charts are also not loading properly because of, I think, internet connection. Something is wrong. Please allow the charts to load. 6% loaded on 7%. What is there? Okay, so here we have the lowest low, highest high. It's long back, well, 17, 18. So we will mark just these important levels that we have. Okay, these are the monthly levels. From here we can see that the price made this monthly high, then it made this monthly low, traded this level, failed to break above the monthly high, failed to break below the monthly low. Here if we draw a trend line, we'll see that the monthly high is broken. The last month high at least is broken. How you will make out this one like this, and this was the previous monthly high and low. So let's switch to the weekly. Okay, from weekly we can see that the price was making higher highs and higher lows. Then it shifted the market structure and started making lower highs and lower lows. Now it shifted the market structure, made a higher high, and then it made a higher low, made a higher high, higher low. So yes, the price is headed higher at least on the weekly, and this can be seen as a weekly swing low. And we switch to the daily. All right, so 1.0777 is a very important mark because this is a weekly low, and this fair value gap was traded yesterday, not sorry, today. The price went higher. So what are we expecting on this one? I think we are expecting 1.1139, and all these targets that we were expecting, like these equal highs, they are taken. So we don't have much to expect on this one. I'm expecting the price to come back now for some you can say pullback before it moves to 1.1139. This is what my expectation is in the euro. About the Australian dollar, we were looking for sell at the rise, and let's see what. Oh, all the targets for the Australian dollar taken, the low pierced, and now we are expecting 0.6270. But look at this. There are buyers at the lower prices. What does it mean? When this sell side liquidity was taken, the price failed to go lower than this low and was bought back immediately at around 0.6350 area. The low was 0.6349, and now the price is trading at 0.6493. What does it mean? 150 points rally from the bottom of the day. What is it suggesting? Now upside is possible. Okay, so the market structure needs to shift, and for the market structure to shift, the price has to break higher than this high, that is 0.6560. So today it doesn't seem like it is doing it, but yes, tomorrow or maybe day after or in this week, if it happens, then we'll start looking for the buying opportunities in the Australian dollar. Right now, nothing. What about the New Zealand dollar? It was on Friday, it was inside that uh, symmetrical triangle that we had. Okay, so today it came back again below and has shifted the market structure again once to the downside. But see here also, there's a huge buying at the lower levels. So that is an indication that the price is headed higher in this one also. As of now, there is no buying because the price has already reached the areas of resistance. No selling because you see this bullish. Okay, on the 4 hour, I think you can witness this. You see on the 4 hour, it's a pin bar. Now, you don't want to sell this pin bar right now. Okay, wait for the confirmations. What about the USD CHF? USD CHF, almost all targets from this fair value gap are taken. Yesterday's or Friday's closing below 0.8551 has exposed 0.8333. So what does it mean? Tomorrow or maybe day after or maybe this week, 0.8333 is exposed now in this market. USD CAD. Why my charts are not loading? Why? All right, guys, USD CAD seems like people are not able to buy this at the higher prices, or they don't like it at the higher prices and has sold it off. In fact, it was trading lower than the open of Friday and has even gone lower than the low of Friday. So we are expecting lower prices in this one. However, for that, price has to close below this red candle, which is around 1.3787. So keep that in mind that this is an upswing pivot. Once this is broken, then only we can look for the lower prices. But this candle is an indication that the selling may have started. USD JPY, okay. Almost all the targets have been taken, but we are actually looking for 140.24. So the USD JPY now should be seen as a sell on the rise. So anytime you see the price rising above, you should be targeting 140.24 and look for the selling opportunity. New Zealand CAD is also, I think, was sold off today because the New Zealand dollar was very bearish. Come on, charts. All right, see, there was a lot of selling in the New Zealand CAD also was bought back, and this fair value gap is headed higher. 0.8201 is what is taken out. So expect a market structure shift and the rise towards 0.8345 again in this one. Bitcoin. Okay, I think all lows are taken out now. You can see that even today's candle has traded 50,578, and we were bearish on the Bitcoin from what time? Okay, I don't have to tell you, but the Bitcoin is, I think, going in the dustbin now. It is only a matter of time when the Bitcoin closes below 50,578 and gives us a confirmation that the price is going to dustbin. Brent 76.66 was the target. I think the price opened up at 77.06 and made an interlow of 75. Wow, what a price action, guys. I just hope that my viewers have booked their profits, because now it is not advisable to keep the hold of these short positions. Why I'm saying so? Because there was so much of sell side liquidity here. If that is grabbed, the price can, boom anytime from here like this, and then you will not be comfortable, I think. So if you are still holding your shorts, I think you should just get not reverse the position, but at least book partial positions at least 6.66, and the target is taken. Don't be greedy, okay? You have already booked the $10 on this. This is like how many points? I don't know. 10 into 100, 10,000 points. 1,000 points you have booked in this. What about gold? But what about gold? I said that this area may be an opportunity to go long, but you see that area has been crossed upon, and now we are looking for entering a short at these levels. Like this can be now your way of trading this square rectangle box. What is it? But there was some fair value gap, I think, and now that is not there. This was the fair value gap. Now that fair value has reversed. Even there is a fair value gap on the daily. These lows are taken out. Structure has shifted. I think 2432 should be a very strong resistance for the price in the coming days. And what we are looking for is 2349, at least 2349. Once it trades below that, 2287 may also be exposed in this. Japanese index, not only Japanese index, you see all the indexes are in the dustbin today. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, it has traded even almost 30,429. Wow. If somebody is trading futures like Nasdaq or Nikkei or something, then they must be, I think, swimming in the money. Okay, so all targets are taken out on this one also, and there was a strong buying at the bottom, so that means all these levels are being bought back and the price is headed higher. That is my expectation. I need to check on the 1 hour. So the market structure is shifted on the 1 hour, and these lows, down closing candles, if the price trades above this down closing candle, then I think uptrend will be resumed in this market. Not only this market, but the world indexes. What about the Euro JPY? Is still a sell on the rise. Okay, this is a market which is sell on the rise, but since euro is very strong today, you might expect euro JPY to be in green, but it is again sell on the rise. Anytime you see a bullish price action here, you should be looking for a selling opportunity in this one. Okay, because this sell side is not taken yet. Which is the sell side that I'm talking about? I'm talking about this sell side. 153.17 is the target that we are looking for. Till the time that is holding, we are not looking for buying opportunity. Okay. GBP AUD, pound is weak, Australian dollar is strong now, so it must be red. Yes, pound is at least green today. Yes, so we have taken the first target of 1.9968, then there was this huge selling. Market structure shift may be possible only below this. So market structure shift will be possible below 1.9502. Once that breaks, we should start looking for the selling opportunity. Till the time 1.9502 is holding, I think we can still look for the buying opportunities. Keep that in mind. CHF JPY, all these are sell on the rise. All Japanese yen crosses are sell on the rise. So keep an eye on that. I don't know why my charts are taking time to load. Okay, this side also all targets are taken. 167.30 is taken now. Exposed is 166.56. I want the price to actually go below that so that all this sell side is taken out and then the price starts moving up. Australian dollar against the New Zealand, we had expected higher prices. 1.0907 is taken out. There was actually a lot of consolidation here, and finally the price took support at 1.0849, a bullish pin bar. This is an indicative of the price going higher in this week, so expect 1.1177 in this market. Gas, finally somebody is trying to buy the gas at the lower levels. All this 1.9111 has been taken out. 1.8843 is taken out. There's a lot of selling already in the gas. Below the sell side, I think the buyers are trying to jump in, and it is trying to actually give us a bullish engulfing and pin bar on that Sunday. So the price may resume an up move or go at least 2.018 before it starts selling off. That is what my expectation is. At least you can see that whatever I am saying today, there's not much of a clarity on the subject matter that what is going to happen or which direction the price is moving. Most of the things are on the verge of a reversal. In the Euro CAD also, I just saw that all the recent buy side has been taken. So there's no point in buying right now. And there's a possibility that the smart money has started selling this at the new highs. If that is true, the price has to become red, at least on the weekly candle. Okay, you see all this buy side is taken, and all this buy side is taken, all this buy side is taken. If all this buy side liquidity is taken, where is the price going? Does it need to go there? No, it will go down. Okay, so if you see a weekly candle or even daily candle closing red, you can expect the price to keep going down towards 1.4576 areas where there is a lot of liquidity here. 1.4576, that is what I should be targeting in the longer time frame. Okay, so that's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, or we can wrap up this session and go to sleep. All right, my friends, since I see no questions in the chat box, I hope you know the levels of support and the resistance that will be of interest in the coming hours and in the coming days. Just remember, when I say just remember, it means that remember responsibly. Please do not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade. Okay, there will always be another trade tomorrow. So please preserve your capital, risk less than 1% to gain at least 3%. Okay, if your risk potential is more, then that is your discretion. But my humble suggestion is that please risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. You can adjust your position size in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1%. Okay. Now, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And if possible, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. I'm here every day at 1700 Greenwich Mean Time. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.